distinguished panelists, Sapna and Dr. Patil, my friend from FAO, and all other participants. We will not be going into the details because organizers have requested to complete the presentation in 7 minutes. So I will be just taking you to the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, which is the nodal department for agricultural research, education, and extension in the country. My learned colleague, Dr. Moni, has already given you the background. I will not be repeating that one. Just to share a pleasure with you that this year, country has been able to produce record food grains, 242 million tons, followed by 17 million tons of pulses and 13 million tons of oilseeds. This is our highest. The 83rd Foundation Day of ICR was chaired by Prime Minister of India just 15 days before, and he delivered the Foundation Day lecture of this 83 years old organization. We have the challenges, but we are practitioners, and we try to provide backstopping to line departments and also to the private sector to play together for the development of agriculture in this country. Of course, it is very difficult challenge to use the IT services at the grassroots level, that is a village. Nearly 6 lakhs villages in the country. And the challenge is accepted by Department of IT, and they are trying to link the organizations for connecting the disconnect population. This I will not be repeating, however, with the 2.3% of the Arabian land, global land, we have to feed nearly 18% of the global population. And this has been made possible only because of the inter-ministerial and inter-organizational teams. We have the agenda farmer first, and possibly we will be able to connect the disconnect in the coming few years. With this type of organization, which has 97 research institutes, 50 agricultural universities, 591 Krishi Vigyan Kendras, and the mandate of producing talent, taking it to the grassroots level is a very huge. I am taking to the ICR website, which is the interest of everyone here. Our website has the hits of more than 2 lakhs per month. Some of our activities like weather-based agro advisory, we update agro advisory on daily basis with the help of our nodal institutions. We also have some of the success in video gallery. We also take the research knowledge globally, and 166 countries are taking advantage of our magazines, which are available for free downloads, open access publications. You can see how we started a year back, e-publishing and open access, free downloads. And I can tell you we started with 114 countries, and now we are having 166 countries visiting our website for downloading all the research and development information on ICR website. On daily basis, we manage the contents. This you can see the continuous growth, and I feel this is the major activity where our research information is shared by global communities free of cost. These are some of the recent initiatives. We are setting up central data center where all the agricultural institutions will be linked. This will be operational within a year, huge project. Then we also want to have the biological information on National Bioinformatics Grid, where all the genetic resources will be uploaded and it will be available for sharing free of cost, so that we can explore the resources and utilize them effectively. E-connectivity, 200 Krishi Vigyan Kendras are connected on broadcasting center, and we have one-to-many connectivity. And 2 days in a week, we interact with the information experts right at district level. Mobile-based agro advisory service has also been introduced in 65 districts, and we give the content advisory to our farmers, not to everyone, but to the key communicators available at the village level. We have also started mobilizing mass media support, electronic and print, and 2 hours daily program on Doordarshan and 2 hours on radio is already available, and we depute the experts for sharing the knowledge in various languages. E-courses, we have already developed 320 e-courses with the help of Tamil Nadu Agricultural University at Coimbatore, and they are also ready for sharing for distant education. With this short exposure to you, I will be available here for interaction. I do not want to move away from the allotted time. Therefore, I will not be going into the details. Thank you very much.